Hi everyone, this is how to log into the Jigsaw classroom. This is for my Connect Math B class, but it will work for any link that your teacher sends you for your class. So when you click on the link or when you copy and paste the link up here into your browser, this is what you're going to see. And you're going to enter your Trivium email address. And this is only for students who have never logged into Jigsaw before. If you've already logged into Jigsaw, it's gonna, you might be skipping a few steps, but if you see this, you're gonna enter your email address. So let's see, Sarah, I'm just gonna pick a name, Sarah K at, actually Sarah S at triviumcharter.org. So you're going to enter your email address. You need to enter your real first and last name because just like Connect, the first time you log in, it saves all your information and you're not going to be able to change it very easily. And it's going to cause a huge problem for you and your teacher. All right, so enter your real first and last name. Hit continue. And right here, you're going to click to join the session. You're going to be asked to test your camera and test your microphone and test your speaker. You do need to do this or you will not be able to use any of these functions in the classroom. So hi, my camera is working. And if you're sure everything's working, you click join now, and then it says that it's waiting for the presenter, which is me. So it needs me to be in there, but as soon as your teacher comes into the classroom, this is what you're going to see. And I'm going to make another video on how to navigate the classroom, but I just wanted to do one to show you how to log in the first place. All right.